You guys, I got new lights. Looks way better. Hey everybody, this is Mom Party. I'm Jessica, and we're gonna create some crafts for your babies today, okay? Because it kind of gives them You guys remember shake weights? I totally have one. This one is my favorite. Crafts for babies. Ooh, ooh. Crafts for babies. To make this sensory water bottle, you'll need For the sensory bottle, we'll start with this water bottle looking thing. I got this from Michael's, and it's like specifically for crafting. And then I also have my Super Sheep clear hair gel. I chose plastic farm animals because my son really likes to make all of these animal noises, and I thought that would be interesting for him to look at. There's 2 cats, because that's his favorite thing to say is meow. I also saw plastic, like little plastic toy cars and some really colorful beads at the dollar store. Anything that can fit through the mouth of the bottle and is small enough to kind of go from the top to the bottom would be a great choice. I also got this, and I thought they were like little cylinder bead things, but it's like little curled pieces of plastic. It was called tube confetti. I accidentally ripped open the blue one last night and they went everywhere, and they're like staticky. It was like spilling glitter, but worse because I could not clean it up. So don't do that. We're just gonna like throw this stuff in here and see how it works. I don't have measurements for you guys. First, I'm gonna cut carefully a very small hole in the top of this tube confetti and pour some in there. And then I'm gonna fit all of my animals in here. The horse is not going in. Whew, got the cow. Apparently I need smaller plastic toys. You want to make sure everything can slide back and forth pretty easily. So first I'm going to squeeze in some of this clear hair gel. This is super thick, and these things would not move at all if we didn't cut it with a little bit of water. Needs more water. Sport Hold styling gel. It's a 10. This is that stuff we used in middle school and our hair looked wet all day. You know what I'm talking about. It actually smells really good. I'm filling it to like the top where I think it's almost gonna spill out because I don't want any air trapped in there. That's close. So this is too thick. It's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna pour a little bit out and then add some more water. If I were to do this again, I think I would do a quarter styling gel and then the rest water. I didn't want it to be too slow because I think that my son would be like, okay, this is boring. And you can play around with the viscosity of it. If you have like a super young infant, they might prefer if it moves a little bit slower. But I think the older your kid is, the faster they'll want it to move so it actually looks like it's doing something. You can duct tape the top on or put some glue on the inside of the cap and then twist it on to make sure this top doesn't come off. So there you go. Looks great. So cheap and easy. To make this adorable photo album, you will need the photo album that we're gonna do is awesome because babies love to look at faces. It's also great if you have family that lives far away because then they can hopefully recognize their faces. I wanted to get a hardcover photo album so that inevitably when Jackson chews on it, it won't like ruin the cover. I have pictures of our family, pictures of Jackson with my husband and I, and friends that live far away, and our cat Oakley. I printed them as a 4x4 picture so that I could pair it with a 4x6 piece of cardstock and then write who's in the picture on this like colorful piece of paper. All that you need to do, it's so easy. Write who's in the picture or whatever you want to write on the top part and then slide it into the sleeve of the photo album. That's seriously it. How awesome is that? It's so amazing. I've labeled who's in every picture right at the top of these 4x6 pieces of cardstock. And then I'll just slip them right into the sleeve here. You don't have to glue the picture or do anything other than just slide everything right in. This is so cute. Okay, I say that with everything for you guys, but this, I mean, look at that. I found this super cool thing. I mean, it's not like anything new, it's an easel, but it's like a mini one so that you can prop up your photo album and then you can put it in front of your baby if they're doing some tummy time, or maybe on their side if you're working on them looking towards one side or the other. For this high contrast black and white photo album, here's what you'll need. I created these black and white line drawings that are super cute. This one is my favorite. And they're completely free for you guys to download in the description below. They'll print 2 to a page and they'll be 4x6. So all you have to do is cut them out and they'll fit in here perfectly. So I'm just gonna slide all of the pictures right into the sleeves of this photo album. I got the same photo album that I have for the family picture photo album that we just did because I like the hardcover on it. And this is what we end up with. I know I've said this before, that some of the crafts that we've done don't take any skill, but this one is literally cutting paper and putting it into a photo album. That, if you can't, I can't help you with cutting, okay? If you struggle with tummy time, if your kid freaks out anytime they're on their tummy, use this, distract them. Use these tools that I'm making for you. The little cat is just so cute. There you go. 3 really quick and really easy. I seriously cannot stress how easy this is enough. You guys just print it out, do it, you'll be happy you did it. Also, they're great for your child's development, so you just get extra mom or dad points for doing this. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on doing this for your kids, or if you're pregnant, you don't even have kids yet, or if you're an amazing babysitter and you're doing this for the kids that you watch. If you've loved today's video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.